Hey, welcome back all you DIYers today. Hey, we got working on a Buick Encore here, and we got a little bit of problem with some startup issues and engine lights on, so let's get started. B, but one thing that really kind of got to us was the purge valve was making a lot of tick 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 tick. I mean, it was just nuts the other day. So if that purge valve isn't quite working, I believe that can really throw off some other things. So that's an easy fix for us to do. So we're going to dive in and do that one. Then we're going to reset all this stuff and see what happens later on. So let me go ahead and put this up here, and we'll dive under the hood. All right. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but I'll tell you what, right here, that thing's just click, 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 click. I mean, just rattling. And that's one of them that says that we might have an issue with that. So, easy fix. We're going to get that one changed out. I'll show you how to take it out. This piece starts in through here. There's a connector right there on the back side right here. And it should take about 5 minutes. All right, so in order to get that clip out of there, you lift up this front piece here, and then your thumb press down on the back side of it, and then, so you lift that up, press down on the back, and then it lets go. There you go, just like that. New one, looks exactly the same. Got this one off of the, out of the Amazon. Should be able to click this one right back in like it was. Click that back down. That's locked back on there again. I get set on this one. I'll show you on the old one. Bring that across here. That one you just press down on, but as you press on this one, it presses that out, and then these clips will then release off of there and let it pull that out. So hopefully you can see that. And it's this one, so let's put it right back down on there. There you go. You can hear it click in. Don't forget to put the power back to it. Push that on the back side. Push the red clip back in. There we go. Changed out. Alright, so here we go. We got everything all plugged back in. Of course, all of our stuff's still going on. We're going to go ahead and erase our engine light here and see what happens. See if everything comes back up. There we go. Looks like everything looks okay right now. So hey, hopefully that'll help you guys out if you run into that issue on your little Buick. There's probably a bunch of other Buicks that are about the same way, but need to change that little purge valve out. That's pretty simple. Just look at those little clips. They're kind of a pain sometimes. So hey, go down, like, and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you guys next time.